Today we are going to clean the inverter AC 18XFV32 model. Okay, let's open it. See, the filters are full of dust. We have to wash it using detergent or see, full of dust. That's why the AC was making some sound. We are going to clean it. Okay. Now we are going to clean it using yes. Because of the dust, it was making some awkward noise. That's why I am cleaning it. We bought the AC 2 months back. Didn't think it will cover this amount of dust within 2 months. 2 or 3 months. Okay. See, without any detergent you can clean it. It's really easy. So this primary work you can do it yourself, or you can ask for the GREE customer care service. Okay, it's totally free for first year. See, no dust. Polish. See how dirty the water is. Okay, you must clean your AC filter in regular basis and make sure you take the full servicing facility every year, once or twice. We are putting it back. It's really dirty. Yeah. Just like this. Just like this. Okay. Now we are done. Everything is okay. Now we are going to turn on the AC. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.